Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing 5 tips and tricks for you to post amazing Instagram stories. First off, something that I really love to do is to use more than one font style in one story. The only thing you have to do is remember to write your text in separate parts. For example, if I want to say that I'm currently watching Cable Girls from Netflix Season 4, I can simply write down, currently watching, and choose one font style, so I'm gonna use the typewriter. I click done and I put it up here. Then I'm gonna tag the series with a different font style. So at Las Chicas del Cable in a different font style. So I'm gonna choose this one, strong. Click done again and position it where you want it to stay. Another thing that I like to do is to position it not everything in the middle. I like to put one a little bit to the left, one a little bit to the right, so it's a little different. And then I'm gonna say that it's season 4. So season 4, and I'm gonna choose a third font style. So I'm gonna choose the modern one, click done again, and I'm gonna position this one a little bit to the left. And then to finalize it, I'm gonna choose a GIF, Netflix, to make it a little bit more interesting. And that's it. Another really cool trick is to use a GIF as a different background, like I did here. So the first thing you need to do to create this is set a plain background. So click here on the pen, choose any pen you like, it can be the first one, choose a color, and then press and hold on the screen. So now you have a plain background. After that, we're gonna choose a GIF. So what I did is I searched for sparkles. So I'm gonna choose this one, and then what we're gonna do is make it a lot bigger to cover a big portion of the display. So as you can see, this is already creating a blinking effect, but we're gonna make it even bigger. And now you have your background. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write blink, 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 choose another font. I like this one. I'm gonna switch everything to all caps. Blink, 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 done. Put it in the middle, and then I'm gonna add 2 more GIFs. So sparkle, this one, and then another one of the same. And that's it. Now, something fun that you can do using the music feature is to actually use the lyrics option to share a song that you like with your followers. For example, I have this photo here of my AirPods, and I wanted to share this music that I really like. So instead of choosing a Spotify screenshot or just telling my followers that I really like this song, this is what I did. So let's start off from the beginning. So this is the photo that I'm gonna use, and after choosing your photo, the only thing you have to do is click here and choose the music option. Then you just have to search for your music. So I'm gonna search for a song that I'm really enjoying it right now, this one. Click here. I'm gonna be using the first option right here, but there are other font styles if you want. This one is currently my favorite, so this is the one that I'm gonna choose. Then you choose the part of the song that you want. I'm gonna go for the chorus. And click done. After that, you just place it on your photo. So I'm gonna place right next to my AirPods right here. And to finalize it, I'm gonna add 2 more GIFs. So I'm gonna look for lines. I'm gonna choose this one. Put it right here. And I'm gonna choose another one and add it right here. So now it seems like the song is really coming out from my AirPods, and I think it's a really cool way to share a music that you really enjoy with your followers. And in case you want to add extra images to your story at once, you can go to your camera roll, copy an image, and paste it into your story. So in this case here, I was talking about a lash lift, and I was talking about the before and after. So instead of posting the before and after afterwards in a different story, I simply copied and pasted it right here so people could see what I was talking about. So if I go to my camera roll, I have the before and after here. You just have to click in this icon at the bottom left, click copy photo, and then once you go back to Instagram, you're gonna be asked if you wanna add the sticker to your story. So go back to Instagram and click add sticker. You can do this as many times as you'd like, but I mainly use it when I'm talking about something and I want to show it. So now you can position it wherever you want. I'm also going to add an arrow. And there you have it. And last but not least, this tip is to help you find different GIFs inside the GIFs function on Instagram. Usually we just search for a GIF with the name of what we want. For example, hearts, if I'm looking for hearts. However, there are some GIF libraries that you can look for to add incredible and unique GIFs to your story. For example, if you search for Melanie Johnson, you will be taken to her collection of the GIFs that she created, and they are beautiful. If you look for Megan TJE, you will find another library by this illustrator. And if you look for Gladys, you will have access to Mac Ford's library with awesome GIFs. As you can see, there are several collections available. You just have to make sure you know which name to search for. And a great, easy way to discover new ones is to look for Insta Stories GIFs on Pinterest. You'll see that a list with several libraries will pop up, and you can choose the ones you like the most. So these are the tips and tricks that you can use to improve your Instagram stories. If you end up using one of my tips, don't forget to tag me so I can see it and share it on my Instagram. And also don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.